Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you something that honestly feels like a turning point in the world of music creation. You've probably seen AI songs popping up everywhere: TikTok, YouTube, Reels, even in ads and games. But what I found with Songr AI takes everything to a completely different level. This isn't just a beat maker or a fun toy you play with once. Songr AI is a full creative engine that turns simple ideas, text prompts, or even voice commands into fully produced, studio-quality songs in seconds. What really surprised me is how real and emotional the vocals sound. The mixing and mastering feel like something you'd expect from a professional music studio, not something created instantly with AI. You can make anything you want: cinematic soundtracks, pop hits, rap hooks, lofi vibes, birthday songs, or even viral-style short audio for social media. And you can do it in multiple languages without needing any musical background at all. One of the most exciting parts is that Songr AI even lets you create your own branded AI music platform, something only big companies used to have access to. It's simple, fast, and genuinely mind-blowing to use. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.